Marikina 1st District Representative Marcelino Teodoro has denied allegations of sexual abuse and rape against two former female close-in security personnel. The Justice Department has confirmed that cases of acts of lasciviousness and sexual assault were filed against Teodoro by the two police officers. Teodoro says the allegations against him were aimed at tarnishing his reputation, adding they may be politically motivated.